Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set Gemini as the default voice assistant on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Some provide full guide. Simply you just open your Google Apps. Press on Profile, showing it to Settings option. Showing it to this. Scroll down. Find your digital assistant from Google. Make sure to select the first option. I'm already selected this. Go back. The second step, press on Talk to Gemini hand-free. Okay, and make sure to enable this. At first time turn off and make sure to turn on. Okay, now overall setup. You just say, "Hey Google, what's the weather in tomorrow?" Then you can enjoy this. If you have any question, let me know in my comment box. Thank you for watching.